Hello student, in last class we have studied third basic constituent of food, or we can say nutrient proteins, about proteins. And today we going to start new topic and a fourth basic constituent and important basic constituent of food, that is vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds essential for the growth of the body. They are required by the body in very small quantity. So they are organic compounds which are essential for the growth of the body. And they are required by the body in a very small quantity. Vitamins are classified into two types. Vitamins again classified into two types. Types of vitamin. And types of vitamin on the basis of their solubility in solvent. So on the basis of their solubility in solvent, vitamins are of two types, and first is and fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So they are vitamin soluble in fats. Second is water soluble vitamins, and they are soluble in water solvent, and they are vitamin B and vitamin C. So it's a classification of vitamin. If the diet does not contain the required amount of vitamin, it results in vitamin deficiency diseases. So, presence of vitamins in balanced diet, or we can say presence of vitamin in our diet, is very necessary. Vitamin must present in our diet, and if they are absent in our diet, and if we have a deficiency of vitamin, there would be some deficiency diseases are occurred inside the body. For example, there are many various, we can say there are many or various type of deficiency diseases are present which are occurred in absence of vitamins. So first of all, we will study about different kind of vitamin and the effect or deficiency, disease or disorder in the absence of specific vitamin in the inside the body. So first of all, if the diet does not contain the required amount of vitamin, it results in vitamin deficiency diseases. For example, if in our body deficiency of vitamin A is occurred, Vitamin A also called as retinol. So if deficiency of vitamin A is occurred inside the body, the deficiency disorder will be night blindness in absence of vitamin A. And symptoms of night blindness is poor vision in dark. So it is a deficiency disorder of vitamin A. So if vitamin A is absent in our diet, night blindness disorder will be occurred in that condition. So vitamin A is responsible for a good vision, and we get vitamin A carrot from carrot, or we can say from beetroot in a very high amount. Next is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 also called as thiamine, and in absence of vitamin B1, deficiency disease will be occurred called as beriberi. And the symptoms of this deficiency disorder: weakening of muscles and very little energy to do work. So it is responsible for weak muscles and very little energy to do work. Next is vitamin, and vitamin C, again a very important vitamin, also called as ascorbic acid. And in the absence of vitamin C, deficiency disorder will be occurred called as scurvy. Scurvy is a disorder of gums, and the symptom of scurvy disease is bleeding gum. And we can get vitamin C in a very high amount from citric fruits like orange, lemon, etc. And in a fruit which is called as amla, vitamin C present in a very large, very high amount. Next is vitamin E. And deficiency disorder of vitamin E is infertility. And symptoms of infertility is low production of sperm or ova. So, in case of deficiency of vitamin E inside our body, production of gametes will be stopped or will be occurred in a very low amount. So, we can say low production will be occurred and production will be stopped in condition of deficiency of vitamin E inside the body. So we can say low production of sperm and ova, which are called as gametes, respectively male and female gametes. So in short, we can say in deficiency of vitamin A, gametogenesis will be stopped, and this will cause infertility. Vitamin E also called as tocopherol. Next vitamin is vitamin D. And vitamin D, also called as calciferol. And the disease, deficiency disorder or disease, in case of deficiency of vitamin D, is named as rickets. And symptoms of rickets disorder: bones become soft and bent. Bones become soft and bent. So this vitamin is responsible to give strength to bones, and in absence of vitamin D, bones become soft and bent. Next is vitamin K. And deficiency disorder of vitamin K, clotting time delayed. And symptoms of this disorder: because of delay clotting, delay blood clotting, bleeding time exceed, and loss of blood is occurred in a high amount. So in case of deficiency of vitamin K, if a person get injury, any kind of injury, and if in this kind of injury blood is flow out through the body, so in this case clotting will not be occurred, and because of this loss of blood is occurred, will be occurred in a large amount. So we can say symptom of deficiency of vitamin K: bleeding time exceed, and because of this loss of blood, so this is all about vitamins. Next, we're going to start basic constituent of food is minerals, are minerals, and just like vitamins, minerals also important for our body, and if they are absent, or we can say if they are not present in a required amount inside the body, again deficiency disorder will be occurred in case of deficiency of minerals. So next we're going to start. So minerals are some elements which are required by body, and they are very important for body to do many functions, and they work as a cofactor in many biochemical reaction with enzymes. So they help enzymes in a biochemical reaction. So minerals in human body requires about 15 different kind of minerals. So we can say they are again and also important basic constituent of diet, or we can say basic constituent of food. And like vitamins, if minerals are also absent or not present in a required amount, again they will cause deficiency disorder. In our body, 15 different kind of minerals are present. For example, calcium. Calcium is a very important mineral required by body. If calcium deficiency is occurred inside the body, deficiency disorder will be occurred is bone and tooth decay. It is happened because calcium provide bones strength, and in absence of calcium, bones and tooth will be weak. So calcium deficiency will be caused bone and tooth decay, and symptoms of this disorder weak bones and tooth decay. Next mineral is iodine. Again a very important mineral required by body, and in absence of iodine a deficiency disease is occurred called as goiter. And goiter is a disease of thyroid gland, in which thyroid gland uh, swelling will be occurred in thyroid gland, and because of this it bulge out in a neck region, and region or area of neck will be swollen. So symptoms of this disorder, glands in the neck appear swollen, and it will cause also mental disability in children. So glands in the neck region will be swollen and mental disability in children. Next mineral is iron, and in absence of iron deficiency disorder will be occurred, that is anemia. In case of anemia, a person feels weakness. So it is all about minerals. And we can say minerals are required by the body in trace amount and are essential for growth, repair and replacement processes. After minerals, okay, uh, after minerals, next basic constituent of food is roughage. So number 6 constituent of food, roughage. So roughage, it is a plant fiber found in vegetables, fruit, peas, beans, maize and in the barn which surround wheat grains. So it is a plant fiber found in vegetables, fruits, beans, peas, maize, and ban of, or we can say ban of wheat, which is present surround wheat grain. And roughage made up as I have told you that roughage is a plant fiber and plant fiber is made up of cellulose. So we can say roughage made up of cellulose. But human cannot digest roughage because it is made up of cellulose, and to digest cellulose there is a need of cellulase enzyme, and in human being cellulase enzyme is absent. So roughage cannot digest by humans, but it is still important for humans to keep digestive system functioning properly. So roughage keeps the digestive system in good working condition, and it is very important for us. So we can say roughage cannot digest, but still it is very important nutrient for humans. But roughage can be digested by cattle like cow, buffalo, etc. because they have cellulase enzyme, and because of cellulase enzyme, cellulose can be digested. So, but roughage can in if we talk about human beings, so roughage cannot digest inside the human body, but still they are very important and required by humans to keep digestive system in a good working condition. It absorbs water and poisonous waste from food during digestion. Food without roughage forms hard dry lumps of waste which get stuck in the gut causing constipation. So, in absence of roughage in food, uh, some hard and dry lumps will be formed inside the digestive system, and the dry lumps of waste will get stuck in the gut and they causing a disorder named as constipation. So we can say food without roughage causing a disorder named as constipation. So it is all about roughage. Next basic constituent of food is water. As we all know, water is very important for humans and all living beings. Without water, nobody can survive. And because the main part of our body and all animals' body is water, because human body, if we talk about body, the human body contains 70% of water. So our 70% of part of body made up of water. So again, water is a very important for us. 70% part of human body contains water. It has no food value, but it is still one of essential component of living matter. We can say water has no food value, but still it is one of essential component of living matter. Why it is so important? Because water performs the following function in our body. Like it transports food material within the body, so it helps in transportation of food material, or we can say nutrient. It helps in formation of urine and feces. Feces is a waste material, or we can say undigested material. It helps in the formation of urine and feces. It regulates the temperature of body, and it is essential part of blood and digestive juices also. It is an essential part of blood and digestive juices.